नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार। नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार। हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार। हम बच्चों का जीवन ढाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार। रखते याद नवंबर 14 बाल दिवस कहलाता है। हम भारत के नन्हे बालक तुम्हें भूल ना पाएंगे। नेहरू चाचा हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार।
Children, you are the hidden treasure of society, and you are the ones who will decide what kind of world we are going to see. Therefore, take care, be careful, and do well in whichever field you choose.
Every child born into the world is the new thought of God, an ever fresh and radiant possibility.
Childhood is the most beautiful of all life's seasons. Celebrate it today.
अपना ध्यान सफर पर केंद्रित करें, क्योंकि आनंद लक्ष्य प्राप्ति में नहीं है, उसे प्राप्त करने की प्रक्रिया में है। आपकी कोशिश ही आपको कामयाब करेगी।
On this very auspicious occasion, I wish you success, joy, play, learn, and have lots of fun.
I greet you all. Our every today is spent in making a beautiful tomorrow for you. Your happiness means the most to us.
Children, you are the future of India. Plan your present wisely.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
Always remember, sweet are the uses of adversity.
With sunshine and clear skies, days filled with playtime and merriment, I wish all your memories put a smile on your face.
Don't imitate anybody. No one is like you.
स्वस्थ रहें, सानंद रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, सानंद रहें, जग में प्रीति घनेरी हो, कर्तव्य निष्ठता कर्मठता हो, कर्तव्य निष्ठता कर्मठता हो, सफलता में कभी न देरी हो, सफलता में कभी न देरी हो।
Every day be the best version of yourself and see the change in your life.
बच्चे हैं विद्यालय की शान, यही करेंगे राष्ट्र का उत्थान।
Children are a nation's most significant assets.
Childhood days are the most cherished moments of life. So, my dear children, make the best use of each and every moment and enjoy life to the fullest.
बाल दिवस का यह दिन जीवन में लाए खुशियां नवीन।
I find myself really fortunate to have such lovely students because you all inspire me to be a better teacher.
Children, to me, you are the most precious of blessings, and I cherish every moment spent with you.
Quote, children are the world's most valuable resource and the best hope for future. Unquote, John F. Kennedy, the former President of United States of America. Without children, the world would be devoid of sunshine, laughter and love.
आप सभी सूर्य के वह प्रकाश है जिससे हमारे देश का भविष्य आलोकित होगा।
Children are the future of nation. In your smiling face,
I see hope. I see bright tomorrow. I see the promise for what you wish to achieve in your life.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden.
May my little hearts cheer, prosper and revel, and attain the ultimate happiness and success in their lives.
I want to share the 3 steps of the success in life, and these are also known as 3 D's of life. These are determination, dedication and devotion.
आप सभी फूलों के जैसे महकते रहें, पंछी के जैसे चहकते रहें, सूरज की भांति चमकते रहें, तितली के जैसे मचलते रहें, माता पिता का आदर करें, सुंदर भावों को मन में भरें। ये है हमारी शुभकामना।
You all are amazing. You are brave and strong.
You are the most precious of blessings for me, and I cherish every single moment which I spend with you.
Life is like a stream. It never takes reverse path. So enjoy your childhood. You will not get second chance.
Children, you are the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you joy and success.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे। खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जोली बन जाए, झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे, झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। इनको किसी से बैर नहीं, इनके लिए कोई गैर नहीं, इनका भोलापन मिलता है सबको बाह पसारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे। इंसान जब तक बच्चा है तब तक समझो सच्चा है, जूं जूं उसकी उम्र बढ़े, मन पर झूठ का मैल चढ़े, क्रोध बढ़े नफरत घेरे, लालच की आदत घेरे, बचपन इन पापों से हटकर अपनी उम्र गुजारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के
mistakes like all the rest. Pleasure park to air shelter, flying bomb to helter-skelter. Times may change, but children rarely do. In a while you'll all be grown up. With a smile you'll have to own up. You don't know what kids are coming to. Children, little children, we tried to do our best. We were little children, we made mistakes like all the rest. Hospitals and midnight dashes, swallowed pins and nappy rashes. Funny feet too small to stand on. Prams to bikes to love to sorrow. Close your eyes and then tomorrow wonder where the old days are all gone. Children, little children, we've tried to do our best. And you know that once we were little children, and I guess we've made mistakes.